ANOT stands for A Night of Thanksgiving. This is an annual concert that we have been holding. Its heart really is to just have a time to thank God for what He'll have done throughout the year and to usher in the new year in praise and worship.
Yeah, I'm really excited, looking forward to the whole lineup and just getting into this new year with excitement and Thanksgiving.
What I'm expecting, just to have fun in the presence of the Lord.
Nothing less than fireworks.
So it's 2023, the 1st of January, and I'm so excited to be part of this. The queues are going all the way to the traffic lights, and people are so excited about this event, and this has become an event that is on our Zimbabwean Christian calendar, that every 1st of January we have another night of Thanksgiving with Janet Manyowa.
And it's great to be a part of it and to see what God is doing in our generation through my sister Janet.
Gospel music is about ministry. It's not just entertainment. The ministry side is very important because people come to God with different situations. They come to a concert, you don't know what they're going through. Maybe they're sick, maybe they're heavy laden. But you know, after an experience, things change in people's lives.
I was so happy to see how people came out, hundreds of people, thousands of people, just to worship our God and celebrate this new year.
I'm trusting God that it will keep growing, bring more people together, and you know, draw people from all over the country, from all over the continent even, you know.
Our theme was Psalm 100 verse 4, enter with the password, thank you. And I believe that is going to be my line for the rest of the year, to just give gratitude and thanks to God in every situation.